Hey up, you're right. So I'm going to show you something, and no, it is not the absolute genius idea of using a shopping basket to put your wood into and take it into the house. It's this Coffee Briquettes coffee. I have not got a fucking clue what they were smoking, whoever come up with the idea of putting coffee in briquettes and burning it. They must have been off their head on Mary Joanna or something like that. But yeah, today's task, or what I'm going to do today, we're going to get this open, we're going to get it on fire, we're going to see how it performs. So my parents actually got me this. They were shopping in Tesco's, they seen it on offer at £2.50 a go. They got me whatever they had left, which I think were about 6 or 7 bags at the time. So for £2.50 you can't go wrong, and you've just got to use it and try it. Would I have paid the £8.50 it should cost? I don't know, we'll see later on. Let's get it open, let's have a look at the briquettes before I stick them on, and yeah, let's crack on, let's do it. So that right there is the best thing I've ever borrowed from a supermarket. The best thing. Absolutely mint. You know when you're shopping and you forget your bag for life and you're like, I'm not going to pay 40p for another bag. So I'll have a tendency of just taking the basket, because normally I use like a bag, like a carry little bag that I put it in, and the handle broke, so I thought, do you know what, I've got a few baskets in shed. So I went in there, got a basket out of shed, and it fits mint. I'm going to show you now anyway. Look at that, fits perfect, bloody perfect. Look, look at that, look, it's full. Mint, let's grab that. Whoosh, come on you bugger. Okay, oh my days, first thing I need to do is clean this out, because it hasn't been done yet. Not so brushy brush, look at the state of that. Let's clean the glass, let's clean the glass. Right, clean your glass, bit of toilet paper, wet one corner. That's all you need, baby. I include all my own sound effects. And then the side that is not wet, you just dry it. And once you've done that, wang it in. Gosh, look at that. Oh, you bastard. No dirty finger now. Open that. Yep. Shut that. Close that. And for whatever I do, I need to clean that up, because if I don't, when the wife gets in from work, she will rip me head off. Right then, my dudes, let's crack this open. Let's have a look. Coffee briquettes, let's have a look at the bag. 100% organic fuel, from coffee to cosy. Oh, what think tank thought of that up? Hours, weeks, months. What's it say on back? Clean to handle, we'll see in a sec. Each briquette contains the grounds of around 3 cups of coffee. Ooh, burns hotter and longer than wood. Made entirely from recycled and sustainable sourced organic materials. It would be very interesting to see what they are, wouldn't it? A little bit of research might have to go on, because I know in some of these coals they just pump them full of sand and crap. Basically, that's why with some of these products, see, especially these own fire ones, and products I've reviewed in the past, like the Aldi coal, is just full of sand and crap and shit like that, basically. That's why I end up with loads of ash. There's 7 kilo in this bag as well. It's not a lot. £8.50 for 7 kilos worth is not a lot. Whether or not you're going to be paying for this product for the organic side of it, maybe you're one of them kind of people. I'm not. Would I pay £8.50 for a 7 kilo bag of fuel? We'll see if it's any good, and then I'll let you know at end. But yeah, let's open it up. Let's have a look. You'll have to excuse state at kitchen a minute and all, because we're just at Christmas, so there's crap everywhere. So apologies. We don't normally live in a pigsty like this. Right, it says it's clean to handle. Is it? Do you know what it is? Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Are they out on there? Are they out on the paws? It doesn't smell of coffee. I know what you're thinking. I thought exact same thing when I first got it. I thought, I wonder if it smells of coffee. It doesn't smell of coffee. You can't smell it. Don't even taste it either. But it's organic if you do want to eat it. Imagine it stay to your teeth. Yeah, place where I live, I'm telling you, people ain't got teeth to eat it. Any road, you can see little brown bits in it though, look. Can you see it? Can you see it on camera? Try and get you right. Wonder if that's a bit of coffee in it. It smells. It smells of soil. It smells of earth. So what they're mixing it with to create this, I don't know, but it does smell of ground. Not ground coffee, off the ground. Yeah, so that's what they look like. Then, to be fair, they're a decent size. So I've got that in my hand. I've got a tape measure. I don't think I've got a tape measure in here. I might have. Hold on a sec. Hold on. You're looking 80mm length, width 60, depth 40, 80, 60, 40. Even though it's got sizes on back that I didn't see. But yeah, they're wrong. I got it a little bit longer than that. And a little bit wider. Well, that's just with this, innit? What do I know? They're manufacturer. Maybe they're underselling. And then you open product and you're like, shit, look how fat they are. They are pretty uniform in places, but I know you're going to get it. Don't get me wrong. You're never going to get all the coals and briquettes the exact same shape, size and whatever. You know you're going to get a few breakages in the bag, but it is what it is, isn't it? So yeah, these are in paper bags and all. A lot of the other coal that you're going to pick up, they're in plastic bags. Whether or not that's got something to do with the product and it needs to breathe or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, there you go, that's your coal. How much am I going to put on? Do you know what? I might just throw it all on. I'm going to wang up full 7 kilo on. Should be able to get that on fire. And yeah, we'll see how long it burns for. Full 7 kilo bag. See if it's worth your £8.50. And yeah, happy days. So, join me in a minute. When fire's got going, I've only just littered it. And we'll throw it on, so I'll see you right soon. Right, so I'm getting a quick Google. I've dropped on their website. It's not really telling you as to what is actually inside it. So from Google, it's saying recycled coffee grounds, which obviously we know. It's got organic materials in. What those organic materials are, it doesn't really say, but they contain no fossil fuels. Then it's got binding agents. Obviously you want to keep it at that briquette shape. So it says on here, while the primary ingredients is coffee, the grounds are compressed and may include other organic or binding agents such as small amounts of sawdust or wax in some formulations to form a solid log or brick shape that holds together and burns effectively. So as it says on bag, it burns hotter and longer than wood. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to compare it to wood. I'm not going to compare it to coal or the coal briquettes that I've done reviews on in the past. Check them videos out on my channel if you haven't already. Boom. I'm not going to compare it to them. I'm going to compare it to wood. That you would, that anybody, if you got a log burner or whatever, you know wood, it burns a lot quicker than, well, most of it does, it burns a lot quicker than what your coal is. So your coal, you're going to get 8 to 10 hours. With wood, you might get an hour, 2, 3, whatever. So I'm going to compare it to that. I'm not going to compare it to coal because I think that would just be a little bit unfair and I might slate it too much. So we're going to compare it to that. We're going to see if it burns hotter and longer than wood. It's so hot in here. It's going to get even hotter when we throw these coffee briquettes on. So let's throw coffee. Let's all go for coffee. Let's get it on. Right, stop messing about now, Julie. The fire is ready, it's hot, it's boiling in here, innit, Brian? Yeah. 1, 2. Oh, bloody hell, that's a lot, innit? Shine a light. I'll be cooking in here in a minute, flour power. I was going to try and get it all on, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. There's about 1 kilo left in the bottom of there, so 6 kilos on. Let's see how it performs. Let's see if it performs as good as wood, like it says on the bag. It doesn't say as good as coal, Julie, it says as good as wood.
Not last long then.
What time is it now? It is 10 past 2 o'clock. So we'll see how long it takes to get going. Flames start developing. We'll see what they look like, and then we'll see how long it's going to last and see how well it performs overall. So yeah, I'll stick you on a time lapse and have it all fancy and stuff. I could even put some nice music over the top on it and all, couldn't I? You know, just to make it look a bit fancy. So I'll get back to you when it's all flaming and hot and shit. Okay. So it's lit, it's been on an hour. Look at it. Woo, fancy. It's got some good flame to it, Jules, hasn't it? Damn, girl. It's cooking in here and all, isn't it? Red hot, innit? You are? Yeah. Oh, it's boiling. Absolutely boiling. It's way hotter than wood. Let's open the door and have a look. Do you like my hot wood? Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
I'm actually doing
Nothing.
something.
Oh,
Thank you.
shine a light. Oh my God, it is bloody hell. That is hot. That is hot. Hot, hot. Oh, then we're going to get a tea towel around here. My crusty tea towel. It's not like my crusty sock, this one. Got pregnant, that sock once. Give it a poke. It's not going to last long though, is it? Look at that, it just disintegrates. Ooh. It's all just breaking up, look. I think the best thing to do is leave it. But yeah. Woo. So after an hour, it is red hot, like it says on the tin. It's absolutely cooking. It's way hotter than, put that back on here. It's way hotter than wood. Right, I've had a change of mind. What I'm going to do, I'm going to throw the rest of this bucket on. Not the bucket itself, the contents of the bucket. That'd be silly, wouldn't it? I'm going to turn that back up, open that. I'm going to throw that back on, and we're going to see how long you're going to get out of 7 kilos worth of full bag. Right, we're back. It's 5:20. It's been 3 hours since we put that coal on. Full 7 kilo, and it's about all gone. Look at that in there. There's all the oat left. Yeah, it has lasted longer than wood. And it were kicking more heat out, but at £8.5 a go for a bag. Is it worth it? Probably not. I won't get it because you can get same for coal, and that'll last longer, won't it? Yeah. Yeah. It'll probably last. If you would chuck 7 kilos worth of coal on, that's going to last you about 8 hours, 9 hours, depending on your stove, your burner. So yeah, there you go. Let's get a poke round anyway, and see what's left. But I've got a feeling once I poke this around, there's not going to be a lot left in there. A lot of ash. Oh God, it's hot. Who would have thought that? God, I'm making a right bloody mess here. It's all crumbly. I don't know if you can see it, look. Very crumbly. So there you go. That's what's left. Is it worth getting it? Probably not. Would I buy it if it weren't £2.50 a bag? Any more than that? No. Even though I didn't pay for this, did I? 'Cause I didn't even give my mum and dad money back. Oh, bloody hell. Surprised they didn't track me down. Give me that money, bastard. But yeah, that's it for now. If you're thinking about getting some of that, get it if you want it. If you don't, then don't. It's as easy as that, really, isn't it? Would we get it again? No. But, you know, it does what it needs to do. It got baking in here though, didn't it? Yep. It was proper warm. Sweating and lot. We even had to open the doors. That one. Bottom at stairs and that one into the kitchen and all. You were hot, weren't you?
No, I've been freezing all day.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah. What I have.
You were hot, Brian, weren't you? Went in the kitchen and cooled down, didn't you? Yeah. So that's it for now. I might stick another video out. There's some new coal in Aldi, isn't there? I might nip and get a bag of that and try that, see if that's the same crap as what it were before. So yeah, see there. That's it for now. Bye. See there. Bye. Bye. Say bye-bye, Julie.
Bye-bye, Julie.
Say bye-bye, Phoebe.
Bye.
Phoebe.
Phoebe.
Say bye-bye, Brian. Goodbye, Brian. So I forgot to show you what tray looks like in bottom. I've just lobbed some wood on there and I've taken it out of the bottom and I've got it in my hand here, but that's what's left after that 7 kilos worth. Look at it. Very crumbly. There's not a lot though. Not as much as coal, I don't think. So, yeah, it does have its bonuses if you struggle to get rid on it, but that's what's left. But that's what's left. But that's what's left. That's what's left. Can you imagine if I drop that all over the carpet now?
I know what's into you.
Oh, shut up. Au revoir.